Imagine the ground beneath your feet trembling, not just in one place, not just in one country, but everywhere. From the snowy peaks of Iceland to the burning sands of Indonesia, every volcano on Earth erupts at the same time. Lava fountains pierce the skies, ash clouds tower miles high, and fire rains from above. This isn't just a natural disaster, it's the apocalypse written in stone. But what would really happen if all volcanoes erupted at once? At first, the destruction would feel local. Cities nestled near volcanoes, Naples beneath Vesuvius, Puebla near Popocatépetl, and entire towns surrounding Mount Etna would vanish in an instant. Rivers of lava would bury roads, homes, and millions of lives beneath molten rock. But here's the first twist. This chaos wouldn't stay local. Within hours, it would go global. Every volcano ejects ash into the atmosphere, and when you combine the force of thousands, Earth would be blanketed in darkness. Imagine midday skies turning pitch black. Planes would fall silent as global aviation shut down, stranded across continents. The internet and power grids could flicker out as volcanic lightning storms rage overhead. We wouldn't just lose cities, we'd lose connection with each other. But the oceans would suffer even more. Beneath the waves, hidden volcanoes erupt with terrifying force, releasing toxic gases and superheated water. Entire marine ecosystems would be boiled alive. The sudden displacement of ocean water would create tsunamis of unimaginable scale. Waves taller than skyscrapers racing toward every shoreline. Think about New York, Rio de Janeiro, Sydney, all swallowed in hours. Humanity wouldn't just face fire, but also water. And then comes the atmosphere's betrayal. With billions of tons of sulfur dioxide released, sunlight would be blocked on a planetary scale. Temperatures would nosedive. In just months, Earth would plunge into a volcanic winter. Crops in America's Midwest, China's rice paddies, and Africa's fertile lands would shrivel. Famine would spread faster than governments could react. Wars would erupt over food and water. The question wouldn't be how to rebuild, but how to eat. But here's a chilling thought. History already left us warnings. The eruption of Tambora in 1815 was so violent that it created the year without a summer. Crops failed, millions starved, and temperatures dropped across the globe. Now, multiply that event thousands of times over. Would modern civilization even stand a chance? And it wouldn't end there. Breathing the very air would become deadly. Ash particles, sharp as ground glass, would rip apart human lungs. Masks would become as essential as food. Those without protection would suffocate slowly, not from lack of oxygen, but from the Earth's very dust. But let's take this even further. What about Yellowstone or Toba, or other supervolcanoes erupting alongside everything else? These giants release not just ash and lava, but enough toxic gases to alter the planet for centuries. Earth could slip into a deep freeze, triggering mass extinctions. Entire species gone forever. Could humans become one of them? And yet, beneath the destruction lies a paradox. Volcanoes are also creators. They build new land, enrich soil, and forge the raw materials life depends on. Centuries after the disaster, Earth would recover. Forests would regrow, animals would return, and life would flourish once again, perhaps stronger than before. The real uncertainty is whether humans would still be here to witness it. So if all volcanoes erupted at once, it wouldn't just be the end of cities or nations, it would be a trial by fire for our entire species. Survival would depend not on strength, but on adaptation. Could we harness technology fast enough to build artificial food sources, underground shelters, and systems to outlast years of darkness? Or would our world, advanced as it is, crumble just as easily as civilizations before us? One thing is certain. The Earth has always belonged to itself. And if it chose to unleash all its fury at once, humanity might discover just how fragile its place here truly is.